Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to speak to you about two things on the Golf Mark 1 carburetor model that can cause performance issues. That is your brake booster and also your servo pipe. When these two components are faulty, you could possibly have a rough idle, or your car will cut out whilst you're braking at the stop street, and can also cause your fuel mixture to be leaned out that goes into the inlet manifold. When I say leaned out, I mean that the mixture is being weakened by the oversupply of air. Okay, let's look at how unnecessary air can make its way into the inlet manifold. This servo pipe here, if you discover that there's any cracks or tears or holes, or even at these two little ports here, if they are sucking in air, if they're not blocked off or they're not sealed off properly, you're going to have that effect, and you will have that slightly uneven idle I've discovered with some of the Mark 1s. So the best thing to do is to take off this servo pipe. You unhook it here out of the brake booster and you just undo the clamps there at the bottom. Take it off and do a physical inspection. And in the servo pipe there is a one-way valve, which means that air can only travel in one direction from the booster to the manifold. Now the next thing to look at is the actual booster, which is this big round thing here. Now let us just look what the brake booster does. When you put your foot on the brake inside the car, at the back here is a lever which activates, and as that happens, atmospheric air goes in, and when that atmospheric pressure goes in, it pushes on the diaphragm from that side. But then at the same time, through the servo pipe, the engine vacuum pulls onto the diaphragm, and that gives you like a double effect, which the diaphragm actually performs, and it pushes on a lever inside the whole mechanism, which enhances and boosts the whole braking system. So it pushes onto a lever and it pushes the brake fluid into the brake lines. So now that brings me to my point about how you can have unnecessary air going into your inlet manifold. Say for example the diaphragm in here is shot, say there's holes in it, say it's perforated, say it's torn. Then what will happen is you will find that unnecessary air is then going to make its way into your manifold, and you will find that the car is not going to idle smoothly, and you will also find coming to stop streets when you brake that the car will actually cut off, because there's a rush of air running into your manifold now, which is now leaning out, and as I said, weakening your fuel mixture. So have these two parts checked out, your booster and your servo. Have it checked out, because you know that can be causing your uneven idle, or just that erratic switching off and cutting out at stop streets, because you know there's unnecessary air going into your inlet manifold. And a simple way to check is, you know, with the car idling, you know, just step on your brakes a couple of times and you will see actually if your idles drop, then you will know there's some kind of leakage happening either with the servo pipe or with the actual booster. That's just a simple test, but I would advise to give it to someone that's experienced or a specialist just to check this out for you. Okay guys, there's another tip just for you to go and check on your Mark 1 to see if your booster and your servo pipe is not leaking. I hope this helps you.